Miss Molly Waters. I would describe myself as fun, bubbly, spontaneous, and really weird. I grew up on the stage, born and bred on the stage. This is my dad. He's my dadager.
And downstage.
No.
Yeah, spin, spin, spin. It's my job as her dad to make sure that she's got what she needs. Jazz hands, jazz hands. She supplies the talent and I supply the support. Oh my goodness. Meet my friend, Mike.
Dad.
It's just about the opportunity and making sure that she gets every possible chance that she can.
Tonight for my blind audition, I'll be singing one of the most iconic musical theatre songs.
She's just a little professional, look at her.
When I really look at the lyrics of this song, it really portrays what I'm trying to tell people. Don't tell me not to fly.
Go, sweetie.
Go, Molly.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter.
Wow.
Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam! Hey, Mr. Rusty, here I am. I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I'm found out, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Nobody is gonna rain on my parade.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Wait, how old are you?
I just turned 15.
Let me tell you something. The hardest thing about being in this chair is not knowing what's on the other side. It is the hardest thing. Do you act like, obviously you're in high school?
I've been acting and singing and doing musical theatre since I was 2 3/4.
Oh my, wait.
you
2 3/4. 2 3/4.
What a voice. I just loved it so much. I really did.
What's your name?
Molly Waters. I'm 15 and I'm from Brisbane.
Molly.
I love the way she does that.
You know what? The thing that sucks, as you were saying, Kelly, is like, we can't see. And I was looking at the crowd and so many people were like, they had this shocked look, and now I get it. Because I don't know, I expected someone with a cane and a top hat and like an older person or something, but...
Can I just make a moment, Molly? You are on my team.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
You were incredible. That was phenomenal.
Hey, Scap.
It's so great. That was incredible. Fantastic. Congratulations, beautiful. I had to turn you worked for it. You just like turn around. I was like, that's it, I'm out.
They missed out.
Exactly. My win. All right, I'll see you really soon.
See ya.
Bye.
Thank you. I'm speechless. Seriously, I'm speechless.